In today's video, we are going to show you how to change leverage on XTB. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is log in using your credentials. And then let me tell you right now, on XTB, you cannot freely change the leverage per trade. Okay? Even if you go to the settings, as you may notice, you don't see any option to switch the leverage on and off for individual trades or even any products here on XTB. However, what you can do instead is manage its effect by reducing the position size. Now, for example, we're using the USD 500. Now, this is an indirect way to control the leverage. Choose the US 500 and then right click on it. And then we need to use the stop loss and take profit. Okay? Because this limits your risk per trade and prevent overexposure even when the platform offers high leverage. Now, another option that you can do if you want to lower your maximum leverage is contact the XTB customer support. Click the support and help. You can talk on chat and ask questions regarding about your concern. As you may notice, they will give you a guide on how to potentially solve your problem. And basically, these are your options if you want to change your leverage on XTB. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.